Chapter number 3.6. Capital letters, small letters. Hello, my super friends. What's up? Can you guess what I'm going to do now? I'm going to shout out the alphabets because I remember them all. Do you remember them too? Come on, let's say them together. A for aeroplane. You all already know that we can write letters in two ways, capital and small. Let's trace both. Capital A, small a. Very good. Next, B for butterfly. Capital B, small b. Next, C for candle. Let's trace C. Capital C and a small c. D for deer. Capital D, small d. E for eagle. Capital E and small e. F for frog. Capital F, small f. G for giraffe. Capital G and small g. H for house. Let's trace H. Capital H and small h. You are awesome. Let's move ahead. I for igloo. Capital I, small I. J for jeep. Capital J, small j. K for kettle. Trace away. Capital K, small k. L for lemon. Capital L and small l. M for marigold. Capital M, small m. N for nest. Let's trace N. Capital N and small n. O for octopus. Capital O, small o. P for pigeon. Capital P, small p. Great going, friends. Keep tracing. Q for quilt. Trace both. Capital Q and small q. R for rose. Capital R and small r. Beautiful. S for star. Capital S, small s. T for tap. Time to trace T. Capital T and small t. U for umbrella. Capital U, small u. V for vulture. Capital V, small v. W for well. Wow, let's trace. Capital W, small w. X for xylophone. Capital X, small x. Y for yak. Capital Y and small Y. We are almost there. The last one is Z. Z for zip. Trace Z. Both ways. Capital Z. Small Z. That is amazing. You all remembered your ABCs like rock stars. You all are my little superstars. I'm so proud of you. Bye-bye, my little ABC stars. Let's meet again soon for another awesome adventure.